Hello students, welcome. In this session, I will discuss a multiple choice question on asset retirement obligation. When there is uncertainty surrounding conditional performance of the retirement obligation, the entity should do what? So there is uncertainty surrounding conditional performance. So you are not sure whether performance will be required or not. So you are not sure whether you will be required to perform asset retirement activities or not. You're not sure. There is an uncertainty regarding conditional performance. Performance is conditional. Performance is dependent on various factors. Now, what you should do? For example, you acquire an asset from A, and under the contract, you have to perform certain asset retirement activities. But there is a possibility that you do not incur any cost on those activities. Or there is a possibility that A may not ask you to perform those activities. So A may waive the provision to perform retirement activities and you may not have to perform retirement activities. There is a possibility. Why there is a possibility? Because A has been doing that for last so many years, or A has done that regarding same asset with other parties. A has this history of waiving similar provisions. A has earlier asked other parties not to perform retirement activities. So you also think that maybe I also do not have to perform the retirement activities in future. A may waive the provision to perform retirement activities. I may not have to pay anything for retirement activities. I may not have to incur any cost for retirement activities. But there is an uncertainty. You're not really sure. There is a possibility. Now, what you should do? Even if there is an uncertainty surrounding conditional performance of the retirement obligation, you're not sure whether performance will be required or not. Still, you have to recognize an asset retirement obligation. So you have to measure and recognize an asset retirement obligation. Option A, never recognize an asset retirement obligation. Oh, this is not the answer. You still have to recognize an asset retirement obligation. You may recognize. No, you don't have that option. You have to recognize. Although there is an uncertainty regarding this, but still you have to recognize. We measure and recognize an asset retirement obligation when the performance is required. So you do not wait for the time when performance is required. You have to recognize now. You do not wait for that time when performance is required. No, do not wait till that time. Recognize it now. So when there is uncertainty surrounding conditional performance of the retirement obligation, you still recognize an asset retirement obligation. All right, students, I hope this is helpful. We'll connect again. Goodbye.